I love horror movies. My favorite one is The Thing, the original The Thing from like 1980. It's a research facility in the middle of Antarctica, and then stuff happens. Towards the end of the movie, there are 3 people left, and they have to decide whether they're gonna try and escape or burn the whole place down to make sure that the monster doesn't get out. And I was watching the movie with my wife, and she looked at me and she was like, what would you do in that situation? Would you try and survive, or would you sacrifice yourself to save the rest of humanity? Yeah, I'm never going to be in that situation. I'm never going to be one of the last guys alive. I'm going to be the first guy to die. I die so the other characters get to find out that something weird's going on. I'm on the autopsy table 20 minutes into the movie. His heart is missing. That's me. I'm the setup. I bridge acts 1 and 2. I go off alone to find the cat.